Hope you're all keeping safe and well. So today is the new Tundra. They're hitching up for John with his beautiful new 21-foot Kedron all-terrain, the AT5. Tundra here is one we've done a lot of pre-testing during and before, even with the evaluation stage there. Did a lot to do with the pickup market, and then also into the evaluation period, a lot of test towing with the techs, and done a lot with and without the weight distribution bars to showcase the difference. Highway travel, dirt road travel, out to Copeton and Mullaney and Mapleton through the ranges and the tighter 100-kilometre-hour country roads. So we did a great deal of different terrains and different towing with the Tundra, and one we're very confident in. We've been driving the other Tundra there for over 12 months. And as we say, a great deal of testing. For the likes to see, it's fantastic to see John come through. John's the first with the new Tundra there to take delivery of his beautiful new van. This one here features the airbag in the suspension, disc brakes. This one has twin 300 amps in the lithium, so 600 amps of lithium. And then inside has that 6-door pantry, and then also features that wraparound style in the ensuite. So all-terrains have certainly been very popular indeed. So that layout there to enter into the door and have that 6-door pantry, and then also with that ensuite, together with the new release of the XR. And then also we have that air brake tandem, which is soon to be released also. This one has the weight distribution bars all set up, as you can see. It's all sitting beautiful and level. And after a quick run through here, we will be set to do a run up the highway. So we'll pop inside and have a quick look. This one here features the Bluetooth switching blocks here. So these here are press buttons, so you can use these as a traditional button or connect these to an app on your phone, so the Garmin app. And then you have the ability to have 4 phones connected or tablets, so they can be Samsung or Apple. And then you can control, say, the likes of that filter compression hatch. So you might come towards a dirt road there, you don't have to stop, get out, open the door, pop in, turn your compression hatch on. These here can connect to your smart device there, and the passenger could, say, turn that on and off from inside the vehicle. So great feature there. Another one there is to be able to have, say, the likes of an iPad in a pocket next to your bed if you wish. And then you have the ability to turn the lights on and off throughout the van, inside and out. And then also the ability to dim those down as well. So a great app there integrated with Garmin. Up top you can see the shine. That's because that is an aluminium die bond in the ceiling. Has the aluminium frame, has the Australian-made non-toxic insulation in between, and likewise in the walls of the van. So the interlocked aluminium frame with the steel punch pins, and then also the Australian-made foil with the non-toxic insulation in the walls as well. So back to the inside of the van here. This one features up with that slate look on the bench top, black glass sink. This has the 4-burner griller with the oven. 3 are with gas in this one, and 1 is in the 240 element. Very popular now also with a portable induction cooktop. So the portable inductions can be inside, or you can find somewhere outside, generally on the drop table there, and plug in. So you can have the ability with a portable induction to be able to cook inside or out. You might pull up in a beautiful spot there with a great view, and the weather's absolutely perfect. You want to cook outside, you have the ability with those portables. So John can have the best of both worlds here. He can have his full oven, the separate griller, and then the gas, and then he can also utilize an induction cooktop if he wishes to carry one as well. Electronics heartland up here, main switches, controls there for the 3000 watt inverter combied with the 120 amp charger, controls for the instant gas. Up top here is the Cymarine, 100% on the charge for the 600 amps. This one here in the press circuit button. And then on the inside of here will be the fuse block for the solar panel. So great system and setup there. Swiveling round to the bed itself, so the Island Queen bed. This one here has the bamboo pocket spring mattress, locally made here in Australia, as are our chassis, as are our water tanks, as are all of our rear bumper systems, our front boxes, our side scrub rails. so much in the way of the Australian made inside the Kedrons, which is fantastic to see. Has the club dinette so that they can have that table drop down. You can go left, right, up and down, and this can convert into another bed if John wishes. Has the lift up leg extensions, and that is all the genuine hide leather here for that club dinette. The 12 volt fans doing their thing. These here obviously variable in speed, but they also have a sleep timer, so it keeps beautiful circulation throughout the van on the inside, or movement of air for circulation. These here are permanently vented also for gas regs, so it keeps good air for the people inside the van also. So it has another vent at the bottom of the entrance door, so to have nice fresh air. You have the diesel heater if it's cold, but you'll also have a small amount of air will be able to draw in that door vent and then go out the top. I need beautiful fresh air to breathe, so that's a fantastic feature there that we have maintained in the van, not only for the gas code but also for people inside. And then when you're traveling on dirt roads, you can simply tap your app on your phone if you've got the Garmin switch blocks, and it's connected to that rooftop compression hatch up here, and then that will have a filtered air pressurized inside the van. To the fridge here, 2-door compressor fridge freezer, so plenty of freezer and fridge space. Back around to the very popular, as we say, with the 6-door in the pantry, so a huge amount of storage space there with the pantry. The positive lock catches, they push and twist to open, and then you can press them for a flush finish there when you are not using. Entering into the ensuite here has that beautiful wraparound style, again very popular with the all-terrain, and one we see a lot of these days with the popularity of this model. Recess there for the towel rails, and then down to the cassette toilet, this one here in the ceramic. Nice and easy to keep clean. Into the shower itself has the dye bond here in the wall, and that is an aluminium, and then it interlocks with that extrusion, and then down to that slip and crack resistant base. So that's all laser cut, locally welded and powder coated. And then to the ensuite itself has the recess there for the toilet roll, I should say, and then to the ceramic bowl. Widen the splashback on this, mirror space up to more storage, and then around to that wall mounted washing machine here also. And that is one beautiful looking van indeed for John. And we'll pop back to the outside. We'll have a little bit more of a wrap around, and then we might pack this down so we can head off for a test tow. Very confident indeed on how beautiful this one is going to sit on the road. So we've done, as we say, a lot of the test towing there, a lot of overtaking the trucks and just showing here where the Tundra is going past the truck and that huge bow wave of pressure that can come off the side there of the trucks. Wonderful stability in that package there, so sitting stable as where you can see here. So it's absolutely wonderful there indeed to be able to have access early to these models and then be able to do so much in the way of testing and get things there where we know exactly with say the likes of here you have the clearance there, so we're very confident to be able to have the weight distribution bars and then know that that can still drop down. And then also the major is how beautiful and stable that this package will tow there. All right, we'll probably wrap this up for John so we can pack down and head off for a run up the highway. Thank everyone once again for all of the wonderful support, all the interest. Very much appreciated on behalf of all of the family and all of the team here at Kedron, as is John's choice for his beautiful new van as well. So John, thank you very much, mate. It is wonderful to see you through. So excited to see your new setup and how much you're looking forward to heading off for your own travels around our wonderful country. So all the best, mate, as we say on behalf of all the Gore family and the whole team here at Kedron. Enjoy your beautiful new setup you've got. Enjoy your wonderful new van. And to all, thank you once again. We might catch up with John or yourself on the track one day, but if not, we might catch up with you on the next walkthrough. Cheers all. Bye for now.